Hi, my name is Denis Denisenko. In this video, I'll tell you about the affiliate program for the Dolphin Anti-Detect browser. The Dolphin Anti-Detect browser was created for affiliate marketing to help media buyers who got a powerful tool with many useful features. At the same time, the browser itself has its own affiliate program. That's what we'll talk about today: how to join, what the terms are, and what you can and can't do. Anyone can join the Dolphin Anti-Affiliate program. It's done in 3 simple steps. Register on the official website and agree to the terms. Then get an affiliate link or a personal promo code, one per person. The promo code gives your audience a 20% discount on their first payment for the Dolphin Anti-Detect browser. It can be linked to an email address, and in that case, it becomes a referral code. And that's it. There's no need to prove your experience or go through an interview. So it's a great way to try your hand at traffic arbitrage with absolutely no investment. The first thing you need to know about the Dolphin anti-referral program is that you must be a user of the Anti-Detect browser. Otherwise, the terms are as follows. Rewards are paid only for new users who are not already users of the Dolphin Anti-Detect browser. 15%. That's exactly how much you'll get from the spending of each referral you bring in. Income is credited weekly and paid upon request through support within 7 days. You can get in touch in 2 convenient ways which have now appeared on your screen. All requests for referral commission payouts are reviewed manually. Payments are made to a TRC20 wallet. All financial data is stored in the affiliate's personal account. How can you promote the Dolphin Anti-Detect browser? There are several white hat ways to promote the product that are allowed by the Dolphin Anti-affiliate terms. Placing a link on your own website or blog. This is suitable for those who create content. Social media. If you're active on social media, you're allowed to leave thoughtful comments in relevant communities and forums that aren't seen as direct advertising. Banners with embedded links, links under videos on video hosting sites, links in product reviews, and search ads, but without direct mention of the product. It's important to note that Dolphin Anti can only be promoted using white hat and native methods, so the affiliate program prohibits sources such as spam, fraud, brand bidding, distributing the affiliate link in companies, agencies, and other partnerships where the partner is an affiliate using the word official in promotional materials except for the phrase official partner, copying materials from websites without a link to the source, and questionable promotion strategies like dark or vulgar humor. Otherwise, everything that isn't forbidden is allowed. We remind you that for all new users, we have a 20% discount on the first payment with the promo code YouTube. With a one-time payment for any annual plan, you'll get an automatic 40% discount. Don't forget to comment on our manuals. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the latest news and project updates. Thank you for watching.